Mr. Chief, face the camera.
Is your food bowl empty?
Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Keep your paws closed or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Girl, I'm not gonna be able to get you down from there. Right. Right.
Kitty. No, your name's Kitty.
If you bite me, yeah, I'm talking about you.
Like a bitch. Big man, I need the Xbox on, please. Thank you.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures.
Oh.